Hello Ford owners, I'm going to quickly show you how to put your Ford truck into four-wheel drive. If this video helps you, please like it. Leave a silly comment for the algorithm and don't subscribe to me. Alright, so this is the switch that you want to focus on for putting your vehicle in four-wheel drive. Fortunately, I got an older Ford, so I don't have the 4A, which is 4 automatic, which is really nice. Because if you have a 4A, means it will only turn the four-wheel drive when your vehicle is slipping or when it feels its back wheels slipping. But if you want to use four-wheel drive, all you have to do is just change it, flip it to 4H. You can do it while you're moving. It's not a big deal. But 4L, you should do parked or you should have your vehicle in neutral, not moving, before you move to the 4L, which is for more like terrain issues. You got some really poor terrain, muddy conditions. But 4H should get you out of like slippery conditions, snow, and all that other stuff. That's what I use most of the time. If this video helped you, please like it. Leave a silly comment for the algorithm and don't subscribe to me. Hello.